Hirose Electric's BM56 series FPC-to-Board connectors are cutting-edge solutions for compact electronic devices demanding multiple RF capability. These connectors offer a compact design with a 0.35mm pitch, 2.2mm width, and 0.6mm stacking height. The BM56 series features a powerful double shield design for exceptional EMC performance and enhanced EMI prevention, ensuring superior RF signal transmission. Ideal for applications where space is limited, Hirose Electric's BM56 series FPC-to-Board connectors are used in smartphones, VR or AR headsets, wearables, and more. To learn more about Hirose Electric's BM56 series FPC-to-Board connectors, visit DigiKey.com.